Hey, global family, cosmic family, it's Marla-Tiye. And, the great thing about having your individual or solo author talk is that the readership, one member of the readership did request that I read her excerpt from the book. So I chose page 89. And it reads, "My windows were open that night and the moon was full. I could feel its bright yellow glow on my forehead. The fragrant smell of jasmine flowers permeated my bedroom from outside. How wonderful it was that my mother named me after her favorite flower, I solemnly thought to myself. When I die, my spirit will live eternally in the jasmine fields. At night, the breeze will carry my soul to a place of perfumed tranquility. My name in Arabic means gift from God. I am part of something that is so much bigger than my beautiful and strong lineage. The universal family, viruses, atoms, reptiles, fish, galaxies, trees, mammals, black holes, and so on, keep this ancient continuum in a cyclical motion. It's when we realize the totality of the universe and accept and find peace within our others and ourselves, then we find our love supreme." And of course, guys, chapter 3, I Love Supreme, was a homage that I made to John Coltrane. So hope you enjoyed that little excerpt. Please buy Jasmine Breeze, by me, Marla-Tiye, MTV. So excited. Love this book. Love what we're doing, healing souls, saving lives. And just remember, self-love is true love. Okay, guys, happy Sunday. Peace out.